the idea of what is a normal sexual response cycle is also needs to be you know, taught or needs to be shared with people in general, because these are topics which are not spoken about very openly.
So I shall share my thoughts in two slots. The focus on sex is very important because sex as an act brings lot of benefits to the mind, to the psyche, and to the body. I'm sure most people would be aware that sex is a kind of exercise, so it improves your stamina, it eases the stress levels that you may be going through, you get a good night's sleep. We are familiar with the word that your face is glowing, implying that somebody's had sex. But yes, sex improves blood flow to the skin, and you do actually literally glow also in more ways than one. Heart attacks go down if you are having regular sex and if you're fit. So needless to say that the time and effort that you are spending to make people aware is something which comes with a lot of benefits. The sexual cycle, we may try to limit it to the four phases that we are familiar with, in the form of desire as phase one, followed by arousal as phase two, a third phase called plateau, which is actually not plateau, but a multiplier of arousal leading to a point of orgasm. Orgasm may be the shortest phase, but oftentimes is a very important phase, if not the most important phase, because those who don't get to enjoy an orgasm in the act often feel incomplete. And lastly is the resolution phase, when you are relaxed, and that's when you're happy, you're sleepy. But resolution is also a very important phase because it helps the two people, the two partners, to bond and make the act, which is an intimate act, continue to contribute. Now, without merely addressing the sexual cycle, a very important part is anticipation. So do not think that anticipation is merely planning for pleasure of the sexual cycle, but anticipation in itself is pleasurable. So partners need to communicate, need to plan, because that itself is a pleasurable activity, leading on to whatever else may follow as the sexual cycle.